Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some Eureka treasure train, you guys. Dime denomination is where we're starting. Let's take a look at our progressives upstairs. That mini is 100, the minor's 500, that major, you guys, 3,096, and that grand, 12,777 dollars. You guys, look at that, 777. That's a magic number in a casino, you guys. Back in the day where there was just the hand crank machines, you know, the magic thing was to win 777. Then you hit the big jackpot, you guys. I don't know what I'm saying. All right. You guys, we have no money in the machine, and that's because I've got a little free play, and this is going to be a free play video, but I have to, you know, talk and press buttons. I'm doing my pin right now. The cards here at BJ's, if you don't do anything with it for 23 seconds, it times out. Very, very quick timeout of cards here. So, oh, I have $70 left. Okay, so not much, you guys. So I'm putting in the 70. Okay, $70. All right, so we're doing dimes. Minimum bet on dimes. Volume all the way up so we can start our treasure train partay, you guys. Let's do it. $3. Here we go, you guys. $70 in free play. Let's see what we can do with it. Our nuggets of gold are our wild. We need to get shafted 3 times, you guys. 3 of these treasure shafts anywhere at least will get us into the picking bonus for free spins or for our dynamite thing. And then we haven't even seen dynamites yet, but we need 6 dynamites at least. There they are. So there's 3. We need 6 of those to get into the dynamite feature. All right, come on, Ant. You can do this. You can do this for the ant colony. All right, $1.50. It is very, very loud over here, you guys. Very loud. This is where there's Huff and More Puff, Eureka Treasure Train, Cash Crop, Triple Fortune Dragon Unleashed. I mean, it is a very, very popular area. How's everybody doing today? You guys doing well? Everybody having a great day? Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. $20. That was good. All right, come on, give me the shaft. I need 3 of them. Oh, 2 more. Oh gosh, we had 4. Now there are special dynamites that are real angry, like that one. That'll give us 7 rows, 7 columns instead of 5 in our bonus. Or there's a double angry, so there's 2. That'll double up our board, you guys, so we have 2. But, oh, 1 more. Oh my gosh, look at, you see how there's rocks down here? There's our rocks right there on the edge of glory. 3 more, come on, 3 more. I'm really hoping we can get this bonus. I had this bonus, well, it was actually in the last time I was in Reno. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even speak. And I got both of these with the dynamite, and it was an incredible bonus. I was on dimes with just the minimum bet, $3, and I got the bonus. You guys, I should show you it right now. Let me splice it in here real quick. Take a look at this. On Eureka Treasure Train, dime denom, $3 bets. I got both special dynamite, the extra 2 reels, and the double up. Let's see what we can do, you guys. Let's see what we can do. Come on, dynamites, I need you to land. Oh, and this is good. Oh, can we just like fill up the entire screen? 3 spins left, you guys. Come on, Ant. Oh boy, 2 spins left. Oh, if we could fill this one and this one, that would be amazing. Come on, Ant. Okay, Last spin. Come on. Oh, I don't even know what we have. Okay, we've got minor, mini, and mini. All right, let's see what we get, you guys. We've got 4 trains up top coming along. So we're gonna do the mini first. These are all dimes. $5. Ooh, $30. Come on, Minnie. Come on, train. No, if it explodes down here, it's done. All right, you guys. Let's do the A. Come on, Miner Man. Bring us big. Ooh, the $30. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, Miner. You coming back? No, that one's done. Okay, next board coming up. And we'll do the mini again here. Oh, this is exciting, you guys. Oh, that was a tiny one. All right, now we're doing this one. Ooh, $40, fabuloso, and 20. Is there a minor or a mini? No, but let's add it up, you guys. $230 on a $3 bet, you guys. Wow. Wow, wow. Look at that special dynamite. Wasn't that amazing? We got both of the features, the special features. That was so much fun, you guys. So much fun. All right, let's continue on. We have $34 left. Oh. All right, it's teasing us now. It is toying with us. It's time for a bonus. We're still on free play. Oh, we got Miner Man with this special gold tooth, you guys. $31. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal. F-E-E. You've taught me how to spell, Ant. That's right, Bigfoot. You're doing really well. F-E-E. Nominal. I'm a very good speller, you guys. Bigfoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, there was 3. We need 6. 4 more. I think the bonus is right around the corner, you guys. Oh, we almost got shafted. Okay, come on. Give me the shaft. 3, 4 more. Gosh, they all went by. You guys saw that, right? They all went by. All right, it's time. I'm ready for a bonus. We had that great bonus that I showed you guys, but now I want it live in person, in color. Let's go. 4 more? Come on, treasure train. 4 more. And of course, then it blocks us. Okay, $30. 4 more. I don't know why I said 4 more. Yeah. All right, you guys. I don't know if it's on dimes. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll continue on dimes for a little bit. Oh my gosh, I thought we had it there. People are getting bonuses everywhere, you guys. It's our turn. We're in major danger zone for the first time. This is getting scary now. Come on, Ann. Oh. That's got to be really good, you guys. $30 is really great.
I haven't seen her, but I'll send her back here. Yeah.
All right, we need to keep this up. Let's go in the up direction. Up, up, up. 2 more?
I like this game, but it takes a couple hundred.
2 more.
It takes a couple hundred to get this thing going.
Oh we got it. Stop it. We got it. And we got the special one, you guys. So now we're going to have 7. Do. Okay. There we go. We got our 7. We need to make at least a box. So you guys know how this works. You guys ready? We got 5 spins to do it in. Here we go. Hello? Okay. We really need to get here, here, and here. And here, and here. Here we go, you guys. Oh, yes. I'm going to lift you guys up just a little bit here. Just for this. All right, here we go. 2 more spins. We really need these 2. Or those 3. Darn it! Last spin, you guys. Here we go. Do it to it, Ant. Come on. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I didn't switch us off times, you guys. Fabuloso. Okay, let's get us You guys ready? I'm gonna do it all for the ant colony. Here we go, you guys. Ooh, that was $12. I don't know what those are. 50 cents? $1? Dollar? Don't waste our cards on this small stuff. Come on, big stuff. Ooh, 25. Hello. Oh, that's it. Okay, bring back something. Progressive. No progressive. Okay. All right, how much is that? 90? $90, you guys. 113. Let's keep going. This is exciting. All right, here we go, you guys. 113, our ticket high. I really want to be those people. 2 more. And get another one real quick. Now, if we happen to get shafted 4 times or 5 times, I'm going free spins. If it's 3 shafts, I'll probably just go the this bonus. But hopefully we can get something quick. And it doesn't take down our money. I don't want it to take down our money. Oh, that's the one I really want, where we're working with 2 screens. Come on, Ant, you can do this. We can do this for the colony. Come on, Bigfoot. I see it down there. Yeah, I'm just hanging out down here. Would you put some stink eye on the screen? Thank you. Oh, I didn't even show you guys my ring today. Check out this ring. It's kind of curved with a big giant pearl on the top. I don't know, it just reminds me of like a firework exploding in the sky. It's beautiful. It's one of my new ones. I got about 2 more. I got about 100 new rings because I'm checking them out, because when I get the website up and running, I want to have rings for sale for you guys. So I'm making sure these rings are of quality and be able to sell them for you guys, or to you guys, if you're interested. I don't know. Maybe nobody will even want them. I don't know. 2 more. My gosh, half the money is gone already. Guys, I'm switching. Let's go to Penny's. And let's try our $3 bet over here. Let's see what... 2 more! Oh my gosh, a high 5. All right, come on, dings. 2 more, 5 more. I so messed that one up, you guys. Oh, Oh, there it is again. That's the one I really want. 4 more? Uh-oh. Come on, Aunt. You've got this. Oh, gosh. Oh, come on. 4 more. Darn it. And then we get 2 of these. Gosh, we're in major danger zone. I can get us out of here, you guys. I've got 2 more spins to do it in. Three more spins to do it in. Oh wait, 2 more spins. I'm going back to dimes, you guys. Back to dimes, $3. Let's go. Oh, that's $1. Last spin, you guys. Here we go. Oh, that was only 50 cents. I don't have enough. And there's no wheel of death. Not that I would spin it. You know me and Wheel of Deaths. We don't get along. Okay. I have to put in a little real money here. Hello? All right. What is dollars? Is it 6? Oh, yeah, 6. No, we're not going there. I don't feel like betting like a rich person today. All right, let's keep going. At our $3, see what we can do. Maybe we can't double this up or triple it up, maybe? We could hit that major for 3,100 would be fabtastic. Oops, I didn't even know I pressed the play button, you guys. My arm is too strong. 2 more. All right, Eureka Treasure Train. Can you be full of treasure for us, please? Oh, darn, you about blocked us. Four more? Oh boy, you guys, this is my quietness is quiet because I'm not getting anything here. Wait, I think we got something on that last spin. But I pressed the button. My camera's in the way of the wind, so I couldn't see. But it bumped us up pretty high. I'll have to go and look at the film. I know, I call it film, you guys. I'm old school like that. Oh, 4 more. Come on. Oh, we got Minor Man. 4 more. Oh, we got 2 shafts. And people are getting more bonuses. All right. 2 more. 4 more. 2 more. Stop it. We got them both. 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 Okay, calm down, Aunt. Oh, this is so exciting. I just showed you guys this. We got our own. Why does that look off? All right, you guys. Here we go. 5 spins. We need to make boxes. Big, big boxes. How could we only get 1 on each? Come on, Aunt, do it. Oh my gosh, we're not even making boxes. Okay, we made a box up on the top. We still haven't made a box on the bottom. 2 more spins. All right. Oh boy. Can we make more than a mini, please? Let's go, Aunt. Oh my gosh, we got 3 minis. All right. All right. It is what it is. And $3, $3, $3, $3, $9, $15. 3, 3, 3, 3, and 15. All right, you guys, amazing. Maybe the mini will come by one of these trains. Okay, $10, thank you. $16. Come back, Minnie. No, no Minnie. Okay, now we're going to the second board. Boom! Again, amazing. Oh wow, that was a much better run. Come back, Minnie. Darn you. All right, our last one. Come on, fireworks ring. Come explode for us. We'll do that, oh. Oh, don't waste these carts on these little tiny 50-cent numbers. 50 cents. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was low. All right. Pretty darn nice, you guys. $155, you guys. Oh my gosh, $186.85. That is a new ticket high. And we're in for 100. So can we get something else? 2 more. Oh, I'm so excited. We got the double specials, the double angry fireworks. I want to get this now. Give me 5 of them, and then I'll do the free spins. Let's go. Let's go. Or let's get over 200, and I'll cash out with a double up, you guys. We were down to $30. Come on, Aunt. Let's do it for everybody. 2 more, 2 more, 1 more, 1 more. $150. I'm wondering maybe I should just cash out at $150, take my money and run. We did see both of those. We saw 2 of the double special. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, let's cash it there, $150. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Till we meet again on the next video, you guys take care of yourselves. You know, I love you, love you, love you a lot, you guys. Have a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.